Hey there everyone, this is Hunter, and welcome to Nuclear Throne. So, I saw this just sitting on Steam. It was kind of on a bit of a sale, but I looked at it, watched a few videos of it. It looks really fun, so I'm gonna get into this. We're gonna play this, and I guess we're gonna do the tutorial. So I got Fish and Crystal. He has HP and has a shield. This guy gets ammo and can roll. You know what? Let's go ahead and do Crystal for now. Oh hell. So this is this. This is kind of a jumpy. Got shotgun shells. Also got a shotgun. What do I got? I got a shotgun or a pistol, I think. I got nuclear waste. Oh goodness. So do and do. Goodness. Okay, so this is how we do this. Shot those things. So we aim and shoot. Swap weapons using Y. Okay. Oh goodness. I got a shield. Fuck your shit. Haha, I'm a shield. And haha. Cool, I'm done here. Is that it? Is that all the tutorial? Oh goodness, I don't wanna. Okay, well that's the game. Bye guys. So we're gonna do a normal. I want some of these other guys. So we're just gonna... Here I am. Hi guys, how's it going? Boom. Oh shit! Oh shit! Bang bang bang. If you guys couldn't tell, this is kind of a bullet hellish kind of game, if that's the actual playstyle you want to call it. Pew 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 pew! Oh shit! It's a bit of a extreme game, I would say. But fun nonetheless. Got an energy, what you gonna do? The health system's interesting. Because it looks like I can't really take that much hits before I... Oh, goodness. Got someone. Controls are a little bit wonky, but I suppose that's just because of what this is. Ah! Oh, shit! Level 2? What is this? Oh, I can do mutations? What is this? Rabbit's Paw. More HP and ammo drops. Energy does more damage. Thrown Butt. Crystal, teleporting, short shields, and more HP. I'm gonna go ahead and do this last one because more HP and ammo sounds wonderful. Next level. Doesn't look like I got shit for HP. Where you at, buddy? Switch to this. It's nice and simple. Just I'm gonna shoot ya. That's how this is gonna go. Nobody. Pew 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 pew. Haha! Cool! There we go. This game is not as bad as I thought it was gonna be. I mean, it's only level 2. Holy shit, no! No, 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 no. No, 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 no. Haha! I got shield, motherfuckers! And I got a lot. I can get a machine gun. So instead of my revolver, I can have a machine gun. Kinda like the revolver, though. Oh shit! I guess we're on to the next level. Why is there like dead carcass? Pew 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 pew. Ah, you fools! What are these? Those like fucking big bandit. The fuck is big bandit? Oh shit! That's a big bandit. In fact. What you doing? Shit! That does not last that long. I also do not last that long. I unlocked a new character, and I was killed by the big bandit. We're gonna retry this. Oh, okay, not in the new character. Ha! So you're a giant steel beast. So, okay, pretty much best way to describe this game is bullet hell, Lots of shooting. There's not much of a description I can say other than there's going to be a lot of bullets. I got to be very dodgy, and I got to be very shooty. And I don't even know how I'm going to commentary this because you exploded. Got bullets. Don't have much other than bullets, but... Screwdriver. Oh! I can run up and stab people. That's kind of interesting. Let's go! So I should get my first upgrade here? No? I don't even know how upgrades work. Gotta have to be fast on the trigger too. Because I'm not normally fast on the trigger, evidently. I'm also wasting ammo like crazy. And oh, sweet! Ricochets! Oh, there's a level up system. Okay. Come on, I need bullets. The dodgy system's kind of fun. Low on bullets. Shit! What you do? Who shoot? Okay, so let's see. So killed him. Got a slugger. Instead of that screwdriver piece of... Oh, goodness! I'm not gonna waste fucking big ass bullets on your little piece of shit ass. You, on the other hand, I can validate using that. Haha, piece of shit. Gotcha. On to level 3. Although I get a level up here. What do I got? What are my choices? Gamma Guts. Enemies touching you take damage. Open Mind. Extra chest spawn. I like that one a lot. Lucky Shot. Some kills generate ammo. And Bolt and Arrow. Homing bolts. Kind of like the extra chest. The IDPD is after me. The fuck are they got? These guys. Also, I hope that's an item that or the screwdriver from last time. I hope it just followed me. That'd be kind of cool. Oh, shit! I'm gonna just go over here now, okay? And you guys can, Okay, so there's all that. Hey, big bandit. Hey, big bandit. Oh, shit, you hurt. Oh, shit. I know where big bandit's at. No, 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 no. Okay, so there's him. Haha, I got you, big bandit. Piece of shit. Thought you could kill me. Alright, so what is this? It's a shotgun. I'll take just a good standard old shotgun any day. Oh, I'm level 3. What is this? SMG. Hello! I think I gotta kill these things. Yeah, they spawn these magnets. Oh shit. That is a lot of... What are you? It's a pop gun. Ah! I will never know. Well, no, I actually picked up the pop gun. So what we got? Long arms, more melee range. Homing bolts again. There's the rabbit paw I really like. Impact wrist. Corpses fly and hit harder. Don't know how to do that, but I will take the more HP and ammo though. So, next level. Oh shit. Oh. Holy shit. The amount of bullets this thing fires. My goodness. They somewhat ricochet? My goodness, if I can aim. Spray and pray. That's the name of the game. Spray and pray. Empty. Damn rats. Anything over here? A dead rat, that's what's over here. Bandit. Haha! That's what you get. Oh shit! Out of bullets. Oh shit! Is that a flamethrower? Shit. Piece of shit. Nope, I am taking this with me. It's got a flamethrower and I can't even remember what this thing was called, but it's bitchin' either way. Oh, there's my pop gun. Ooh! I don't want any. Said I don't want any. Thank you, come again. Shovel. What is this, fucking TF2? Shit. Wait, do these crow guys like fly up in the air and then leave me? Or leave me, I mean they leave and then come back and are you a sniper? Okay. A lightning pistol. What do you do? Let's see. Where's someone I can test this out? There's a pop gun. Holy shit. Ah! I like this thing. I like this thing a lot. Itch. It's kind of interesting. Can't say it's my favorite thing in the world, but it's interesting. Let's see what we got. Select a mutation. Better accuracy, homing bullets, mutate late patience. Mutate later. That's kind of nice. I'm gonna be patient. What is this? Aha! That's what I think of you, motherfucker. Yep. 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 Bitch. Woo! Oh, goodness. I am liking this shield a lot. I'm also enjoying the idea of killing people about 3 times in a row. Got energy. Fuck you. Come on, crow person. You ain't got shit on me. A jackhammer. I'm taking this. Come on. That's what I thought. On the next level. Oh, we got better accuracy, homing bullets, euphoria, slower enemy bullets. I like it. What is this? Less enemy HP. Nice. Regenerate ammo. Don't know what that does. Fly. I like that one. Less HP on the enemies sounds nice. Ah! Ha, 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 ha. Ow. Oh shit! Oh shit! Big dog. Ah shit! Talk about bullet hell. My goodness. Are those homing missiles? Those were, in fact, homing missiles. Holy shit. We unlocked a whole bunch of characters though. And I think I got about halfway? Didn't reach the nuclear throne though. Oh boy. So, that's nuclear throne. I kind of really enjoy it. There's not much to it. I don't know. Either way, thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!